Like, the funny thing about terrorists is, we're sure scared of them now, but hundreds of years ago, what everyone was afraid of was pirates. They were the terrorists of their time period. They were the worst thing you could be. But now, pirates are fun. They're on cereal boxes and mini golf courses. People dress up as pirates to make sick kids feel better. So I'm just wondering if in hundreds of years, that'll be the case with terrorists. They'll have their own theme park rides and Disney movies. Forget about Rolling Stone, they're going to be on the cover of Highlights. There'll be a popular Halloween costume. Kids go door to door dressed as little terrorist outfits. Moms open the doors, play along like, oh, jeepers me! Looks like a little jihad's come to my door. Well, I don't have any virgins for you, young man.